welcome back to our YouTube channel. As you relax with a glass of warm mulled wine in front of the Christmas tree, this winter you might think the festive season is playing havoc with your health choices. But we have a glad tidings. Your glass of mulled wine is actually brimming with health benefits. So friends, stay tuned to watch our whole video to know about the health benefits of mulled wine. Usually served hot and made with red wine, citrus fruits such as oranges, lemon and mulling spices including cinnamon, clove, nutmeg, ginger, peppercorn or cardamom. Christmas tradition since 2nd century and is thought to have a Roman origin. But as well as the feel good factor it brings, the warm drinking has a number of health benefits. Benefits of mulled wine. 1. Reduces the cardiovascular disease. Some studies suggest that red wine can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, which cause heart attack and stroke. Red wine is a great source of antioxidants, and drinking it is thought to increase the level of HDL, that is good cholesterol, and eliminate LDL, that is bad cholesterol, helping to prevent clogged arteries and heart disease. The nutmeg in mulled wine can also help the cardiovascular system. It reduces the cardiovascular disease and can boost heart function. 2. Reducing osteoporosis. Red wine in moderation has also been linked with reducing the risk of bone weakening, condition called as osteoporosis, by increasing the bone mineral density. This is believed to be because of the resveratrol content in red wine, which has an anti-inflammatory properties that help protect bone loss. 3. Slow down aging. The resveratrol in red wine is also thought to help rejuvenate cells and slow the aging process. A high concentration of resveratrol also help fight against damaging free radicals in the skin, keeping you look younger. 4. Boosting the brain. That fantastic compound, resveratrol, also help improve blood flow, and studies suggest that it can boost the brain function and memory. In addition, the nutmeg in mulled wine can help stimulate the brain, reducing fatigue, stress and anxiety and improving concentration. 5. Beating cold. The antioxidant in the red wine can help fight infection and boost immunity. Cloves are believed to have an antiviral property. 6. Detoxing your body. The nutmeg in mulled wine can help clear the liver, kidney of toxins and is perfectly effective as a liver tonic. It can also prevent kidney stone formation. 7. It helps in fighting inflammation. The cinnamon in mulled wine has been shown to have a powerful anti-inflammatory effect, reducing swelling and restoring the normal tissue function. This condition helps in preventing arthritis. 8. Improving the gut health. The cloves in the mulled wine are thought to increase the gut motility as well as improving the digestion. As a result, the cloves are thought to improve the digestion problems including indigestion and constipation. 9. Painkiller effect. The essential oil eugenol in cloves has local anesthetic and antiseptic properties that can be used to treat dental problems like toothache.